Honorable Managing Director, Deputy Managing Director, our coordinator and consultant, my mate and ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope Almighty Allah Ta'ala has kept you all very well. This is MD Shojib Khandekar. I'm really thrilled to be here today and so much excited to join with you in this splendid program. I have been called to the dais to express my views about the people's age groups and their activities. So, I'm so sorry to say that because I possess a very little knowledge about this topic. However, I will try my level best to express my view with you. So, first of all, Bangladeshi students do different activities in their spare time, like some read books, some go to village, some play different kind of games like cricket, football, and some learn new things, etc. It varies with age, and actually me and my friends do different kind of activities in our spare time. Teach freely poor people in the village and teach them the Holy Quran, plant trees, and distribute winter clothes during winter time. And firstly, the students who are aged 10 to 15 play different kind of games like cricket and football because they enjoy these games very much. Not only that, they also watch cricket and football tournament. It's give them enjoyment, also teaches them leadership, management. Overall, it helps them develop human beings. Students between 16 to 25, they do develop their skills in their spare time, like presentation skill, language skill, computer skill, etc. They do various type of training program which develop their professional skills. Overall, they prepare themselves for professional life. And thirdly, the people aged 26 to 40 do family work in their spare time, like shopping for household things. They give time to children and visiting relatives' house, etc., by which fulfill their social responsibilities. And sometimes they read different kind of books. But I do the following activities in my spare time. Firstly, I read books like science fiction, religious, and some motivational books, etc. And secondly, I give time with my family and help them to do different tasks. Thirdly, I visit my village home and help their peoples. Also, if I get more time, I visit some places with my friends, because when we visit some places, our mind make refresh. So that's all for today, and thank you very much. See you soon on another day. Allah Hafiz.